Hello! I'm making this video quickly as a documentation of how to actually implement image tracking in AR in 8th Wall, though I'm assuming this will be able to be extrapolated onto other websites. First, I'm going to be dissecting this project here, A-Frame Image Targets Flyer. So, taking this into the coding, what you first have to do is go to Assets and upload the 3D models that you wish, and in this case I'm using both a thumbnail and a video. All of this is going to be interactable as well. So I uploaded myself a video thumbnail and a video itself. Cool shots in MP4. So, first you gotta do is in 8th Wall, go down to this little target thing. That'll bring you to the image tracking test. As you can see, I have these two images here, but I also have my own two images that I added. My team's logo, Cherry Limeade, and a cool little filler image. So first thing all you gotta do is click on this flat. You want to drag, upload a new photo, so I happen to have some photos right off screen. I'm going to drag in this cool image here. Click next. Then you just got to set to see which one, when it'll actually be detecting it. It doesn't really matter on this one, so I can just click create. And then if I want to preview it, I can scan onto a screen, like so, with my phone. And clicking OK, you can see that once I scan this photo, it comes off with a little banner around it. And this can actually be extrapolated to not just this image, but another small image here that I have. You see that when I scan over it, it actually tracks the Cherry Limeade logo, which is the exact thing you gotta call it. And from here, you could just press close, and it'll automatically upload it, change its name if you need, and yeah. That is how you set an image itself. Now, you want to keep in mind what the images, these target images you're going to be using. Because once you go into the code, like so, you got to go to body here. And here I named it. So again, this is code that I used from Image Targets Flyer that can be applicable in many different circumstances. So the first thing you got to do is you got to upload the model. The model goes in this source thing right here. It'll be Cherry Limeade Small. That's the model that I have. Next is the video thumbnail right below it, which happens to be this PNG, and then the video name itself that I have right there. All of these here is extra, just like where to position the camera specifically in terms of like actually tapping on it, and in this case you can tap. So the goal of this project is going to be able to rotate a little logo, a 3D model based off of this cool 2D image that I have, and then also being able to tap on the thumbnail to make a video play. And then all you got to do is pretty much, upload the video name. Down here, you got to insert the target image. So this is target image 1 for the thumbnail, which is the ink ring. And then down here is the target image of the model. So, after uploading all of that, you can hit the preview button, which I will take it now to my phone. Fantastic. Once on the phone here, you can just hit play this. Again, this is preview, so it'll only be local to you. And then after scanning that, just pressing allow. Fantastic. And now here to test it, I have my own little image here. So I'm going to take that here, put it in screen. As you can see here, the logo itself is not oriented correctly, which is just a fault of my own, or the modeling. But as you can see, if I tap it and swipe, you're able to rotate it around, like so. And then, if I then base it off of this little character, which is supposed to be the target for the video, make this a bit bigger so it's easier to see. As you can see, now the thumbnail appears over it, squished a little. That you can alter. And this geometry, the plane, height, and width down there. I'll just keep it as this for now. As you can see, you got that. You just tap on it, and then boom, it spawns this cool little video. This happens to be a clip that I took at a tournament that I just won recently. It was just a pretty nice shot, and I thought it was cool. And that is how you upload image tracking on 8th Wall, along with the user interaction of it, too. Pretty neat.